Now, I don't know if this is just a picture, but why does it look like a dressing gown?
Yeah.
Muktesh,
One piece.
what is this, Muktesh? So I texted Muktesh for this jersey review for a couple of reasons. One, I think he loves jerseys. वो बहुत अच्छे kits collect करता है. And I also think he has a strong sense of fashion. And also because he has a huge amount of subscribers. तो of course Muktesh को बुलाना बहुत बहुत necessary
Like
था.
वो तुम्हें पता है वो प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट तुम्हें पता है. Just to be clear, सब्सक्राइबर थर्ड आते हैं, फिर ऊपर फैशन सेंस, जर्सी कलेक्शन,
Yes,
ऐसा
yes.
ठीक है, याद रखना दोस्तों.
Cool. All right, we're going to start with the Arsenal home kit. Now, Arsenal की home kit जो होती है Muktesh, can't do really much with the red and white, right? It's a normal red and white. I like the pattern in this. One good thing about this kit though is कि last year की जो kit थी उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा ही blue था for me. I didn't like this one, but I like this kit. I think this is something I will buy. It's not my favorite home kit, but I think I like this one. What do you think about this one?
See, I like the जो A का print वगैरह है पूरा उसके ऊपर, ठीक है. I like details. Yeah, जो last वाली आपने देखी ना, I think that was too bottle-ish.
Yes.
ठीक है. That was too bottle-ish. Like वो coke मुझे I don't know why the moment I see it मेरे को coke आ रही है दिमाग में. ठीक है. मेरे को genuinely coke आ रही है like that. Genuinely.
Fair.
Now this on the other, but I think that was a good kit as well. That was a good kit. This on the other hand, I like the detailing on this one. I think उसके ऊपर इतनी detailing नहीं थी, इसके ऊपर detailing ज़्यादा है. Would you say this is a like this is like upgrade for you?
I think compared to last year, yes, but it's not a like I said, it's not my favorite home kit. तो मैं इसको ज़्यादा पहनूंगा नहीं. I'll wear it on like watch-alongs, but I won't wear it outside. It's just one of those things. Okay. This is the Liverpool kit,
Wow.
which I really like. Even though they have the bottle design जो तू कह रहा था,
Yep.
but this is
It does
iconic.
not
I
stand
think
out.
this is classic Adidas Liverpool red.
This is good. This is good. I like it. Do we have a picture on players somehow?
शायद से मिली नहीं थी मुझे. ना, we don't have it. We don't have it.
Man, I would love to see this on someone. This seems like a banger, bhai.
This seems like genuinely. This seems like a like I said. This seems like a kit in the Champions League. Like मैं इसको completely imagine कर सकता हूँ on Salah. Wirtz will look so good on this if Wirtz आ जाता है. Manchester City, the most divided kit I've seen अभी तक जो release होने वाली है. What do you think about this sash that they have?
It's a kit. समझ रहे हो? It's not bad. It's not bad, and it's not good either. It's just like average. The definition of average. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. No, I don't think it's like L. मेरे हिसाब से वैसे. I think to be a L ना, you have to like क्योंकि ना अगर आप देखोगे ये blue का shade मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
That sky blue one.
That's sky blue. I like the shade of blue. I think it looks good on most people. ठीक है? So that is what makes it decent. And with white represents how the club has broken. Yeah, bro.
This is Man United की home kit.
Yeah, only if they went for the red collar, man, or for the round collar.
The
I
V
would
ना,
give it a 9
मैं
on
भी
10.
यही कहने वाला था. I like the kit design. Everything is fine. They've also gone for the bottle design जो Adidas अब बहुत ज़्यादा pick कर रहा है. But that V collar, man, is the only thing.
Otherwise, this is such a good kit. This is a 9 on 10 if the collars were round.
Yeah, probably. This sort of reminds me of the Vodafone वाली जो kits पहनते थे. But okay, people.
Sponsor इनका भी बहुत अच्छा है, Snapdragon.
Yeah.
Sponsor
Snapdragon is a good one. Yeah. They've had some decent sponsors. Snapdragon was fine. I think Dreamviewer was okay. Chevrolet I didn't like, but it still got nothing in front of AIG, Vodafone. वो तो अलग ही level के थे. White collar banger 6 on 10. This kit would go hard in the championship 9-7-0. Snapdragon makes it ugly. Oh damn. Okay.
What? भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई? It's a fine collar भाई. It's a fine sponsor भाई. It's not bad. I don't like it on Palmer, but I like it on Reece James. Take it how do you want to take it, भाई?
This is how the kit
नहीं है.
looks. Huh?
I think Reece James वाली फोटो अगर हम रेफरेंस में लें,
Yeah.
I think देखो कोल पामर पे तो अच्छी नहीं लग रही.
It's like like Cole Palmer को देख के ऐसे लग रहा है कि यार थोड़ा खाना खा ले. Like
थोड़ा खाना खा ले. हाँ.
fill the jersey up a little bit, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a two size. It's a size two.
कोल पामर पे it's a 4.
Okay.
Reece James पे it's a 7, like 6 लगा लो.
Reece James, it looks so good. Yeah, it looks like a kit which, for a lack of a better term, will look better on dark skinned folk, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, La Liga kits. Start with Atleti Madrid.
I think this is not a good picture. This might not be doing justice to the kit for some reason.
Okay.
I feel. अब पता है क्या है? हाँ देखो जैसे ये है. अब पता है क्या? I have seen very bad Atletico kits over the years. Very bad. एल्पेलिबे की टॉफियां, मतलब वो क्लाउन सर्कस, मतलब दे आई, तो उसके बाद वाचिंग दिस आई मतलब इज एक अपग्रेड फॉर मी, ठीक है,
Okay. Okay.
मेरे लिए, क्योंकि आई हैव सीन वेरी बैड लाइक एटलेटिको किड्स, वेरी
Okay.
बैड, तो उस एक वजह से आई लेट इट पास, बट रियाद इज रूइनिंग इट। मैं यही बोलने वाला था कसम से
Yeah.
कि द स्पॉन्सर brings it 2 points down automatically.
I
Sponsor
would
brings
pay.
it 2 points
I
down.
would pay extra money to get the sponsor removed and just have that kit. Okay. First of all, is it an you? हमने पहले जब Discord पे बात करी थी, you said it's definitely not an upgrade. I think we all can agree with it.
Yeah.
Talk to me about like what do you think about the stripes? Do you like the gradient stripes and everything here?
See, I don't mind the gradient stripes. I have seen very bad. Yeah, do we have more pictures? Is what I would say.
I think so. But we can look online. We can look online.
Let's look online. I would want to look online because this so looks heartbreaking.
I hope it's 24, 25, 25, 26. Sorry.
Yeah.
Now, it will look good on people like Lamine. Let me show you. This is how it will look, chat, on Lamine Yamal. Where is it? Yeah. Stop, present, and this one.
Now see, this does not look bad. This
What do
does
you
not
mean?
look bad. That picture looks bad.
That picture looks really bad. I think it's just like a long, but this is how it will look.
This looks good, bhai. This looks good. I don't mind it. It is not like upgrade on the last jersey because I think jerseys are often like अगर jerseys दिखने में अच्छी होती है तो they become even better on the basis of कि वो team कैसा perform करी है, ठीक है? हाँ, simply put, अगर एक team एक jersey में पिल जाए तो वो चाहे जितनी मर्जी अच्छी किट हो, वो लगेगी भाई आती, ठीक है?
This is the reference jersey, I think. Yeah.
Yep. See, I don't not एक upgrade उसके ऊपर, that I think वो है, but I think अगर हम इस पर अच्छा खेल जाते हैं ना तो this is not a bad kit.
Okay, Madrid jersey. This is it, Muktesh.
Oh, I like it.
I like it. It's a mix of a few of their jerseys. I think ये जो blacks हैं on white, that's obviously
like
that. Yellow वाला उन्होंने I think 2-3 साल पहले करा था बेंजेमा के टाइम पे. There's hints of grey जो इस सीजन के उस पे. I like this one, man.
I hate to say it, but I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah.
मतलब I'm not gonna buy it. मेरे को आ जाती है अपने आप, तो मैं ले लूंगा. मना नहीं करूंगा ये वाली जर्सी भाई. नहीं, this is a good kit यार. I think this is a like I'm एक Madrid fan. Yes, somebody who wears a Madrid, who can wear a Madrid kit, he can wear this out anywhere.
100%.
He can wear this out.
Damn cool.
Is it the best kit so far? We have reviewed so far.
I think so. People chat, is this the best kit या फिर और कोई best kit थी अभी तक?
अगर United के collars V ना होते ना तो I would say United home was the best kit.
I think Arsenal third was मेरे लिए the best. I think this is the second.
Oh, Arsenal third was the best.
Arsenal third.
Arsenal third was the best.
Right, something. This is मेरे को उनकी third नहीं मिली, but this is supposed to be Inter's home and away kit, Muktesh.
अब पता है क्या, इंटर की जो किट थी ना इवन इस सीजन,
सबसे
पहली बात, अवे किट अ बैंगर.
ओके,
अवे किट इज अ बैंगर.
ओके.
इनकी जो होम किट थी इस सीजन, वो मैंने बहुत बुरी तरीके से अंडरप्ले, लाइक आई बैश्ड इट. ये बहुत वाहियात किट है. व्हेन आई वॉच्ड इट, लाइक जब मैंने उसके लीक्स वगैरह देखे थे, व्हेन आई वॉच्ड इट ऑन द प्लेयर्स, इट सीम्ड गुड. इट सीम्ड वेरी गुड. ठीक है, इंटर की अवे किट इज अ बैंगर. होम किट राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ.
I don't like the sponsor. I don't like the sponsor.
Yep.
Sponsor bets and not sport.
Seems too digital as well. Like ये जो kit है ना, ये जो home kit है, it seems too digital.
It's a UV kit.
You do not like. What do you do not like?
I think I don't mind the pink. I just think it's just too much pink. It just takes away from classic UV. That's what I feel. I think मैंने इनकी kit देखी थी जो green थी, जो किसी तरह मैंने हजम कर ली थी. But this I'm a fan of pink kits, man. जैसे हम देखेंगे आगे जाके, but I don't like this kit at all, man. It's black, white, and pink. It's just no, man. This is like a kit you make on FIFA, अपनी custom kit. I don't like it.
So I don't like सबसे पहले the collar, क्योंकि obviously
it's the bloody collar.
Like I'm gonna be very straight. मेरी priorities are very straight. मैं सबसे पहले collar देखता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को पता है मेरे पे क्या अच्छा लगेगा क्या नहीं लगेगा. So that. See, I personally don't mind the colors.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
I would love to see this on a beautiful woman. Because why not? ठीक है.
Okay, of course.
I don't mind the colors. I don't mind the pink as well, personally.
Yeah.
You are saying it looks too much, but
मैं तेरे को एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. हाँ, तू बोल मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
Is there a picture of this either on players or with a darker background?
this is what they did with the colors. But इसमें भी तू देखना stripes black हैं, that the rest of it is fine. This I just think is too much pink, man.
ये ग्रीन है इसके अंदर.
हाँ मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. But this is the closest we'll get. I love Milan kits, man.
The best
It is
kits of Italy.
amazing.
The best kits of Italy, bhai. I've never seen Milan have a miss with their kits.
Can I tell you
Rarely.
something though?
Yep.
Can I tell you something though?
Yep.
They've done. मैंने देखा इसमें डाला नहीं है, but they've also done the black box पीछे. It's not stripes along the way.
ठीक है, क्या करें अब?
But सामने से अच्छी लग रही है. It's
Bhai, this looks good.
it's not even a plain black. उसमें भी patterns हैं. भाई, I think this is probably the best kit.
Best kit. Oh, so royal. ये I think ये place के ऊपर आ गई होगी.
I think so. मैंने देखा नहीं है, but आ चुकी होगी. This is a really good. I think I'll buy this one. I think post Arsenal, this will be my first kit to buy. This is the Bayern kit, Muktesh.
Okay.
Thoughts?
I don't mind this one either.
I don't understand the pattern. I don't
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it.
मैं पैटर्न समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं, बट ठीक है. आई थिंक कुछ चेंज करने की कोशिश में उन्होंने कुछ बना दिया है, बट
Yeah.
बेकार तो मुझे नहीं लगी है बाय एनी मींस पर्सनली.
This is their away kit.
Oh यार, गुड भाई. Where I've
This
seen
is
this before. Where have I seen
Apple.
this? I've seen this before भाई. Chat. पिछले सीजन किसकी किट थी ऐसी? I can't be the only person who thinks this. We have seen this before.
They played in this? I
Have they
think it
played
is
in this?
like an older Bayern kit, probably. Like a recent Bayern kit, maybe. That's why it feels like that. Chalo. PSG. This is an Eiffel Tower themed home
Whoa.
jersey. मेरे को एक ही मिली थी.
I like it, bro.
I like it. I
I
like
like
it. It's a weak
The
collar, but I
pattern's
like
clean.
it.
The pattern's clean, bro. The
Yeah.
pattern's clean.
I think Nike अपने सारे पैसे ना PSG की अच्छी किट बनाने में लगा देती है. उनकी पिछले कुछ सालों से इतनी सही किट्स बन रही हैं यार.
Yeah, this could have यार भाड़ में जाए नाइकी बैंड चोद. बार्सिलोना की इतनी सेक्सी लगती भाई किट ऐसी कोई होती अगर ब्लू और रेड और अबे यार इनका बेड़ा गर्क हो जाए. मूड खराब कर दिया सालों ने.
Yeah. Okay, Muktesh, since you have 5 more minutes.
Yep.
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 Getting it.
Getting it?
Obviously getting it. Obviously getting it. the costliest kit I have is Inter Miami की kit. And I'm getting this one as well. Absolutely.
भाई मैंने जितने भी इंटर मायामी की किट्स देखने सब में मेसी है. No other player.
Obviously.
सब में मेसी.
और
But
किसकी
I like
किट
this-
देख के
I like the-
कैलिवन की किट देख के खरीदोगे. गोलकीपर का नाम कैलेंडर है. वो भी अब है या नहीं है मुझे भी नहीं
और
पता.
अल्बा सुआरेस कोई तो हो सकता है और भाई है.
मेसी के नाम पे चल रहा है
मेसी
यार.
के नाम पे. But I like even as a kid, even if it wasn't Messi, I like this kit. Pink and
Yeah, this is a good-
baby pink है और एक पता नहीं क्या whitish pink सा.
इन्होंने पीछे से देखो पीछे से प्लेन है एकदम प्लेन.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
haven't gone half stripes. Thank God. Yeah, bro, I'm getting this.
Nice one, right? Nice one.
Yep.
This one is.
Too good.
I like black and pink. For some reason, black and pink is a very, very
Good
sexy one.
combo. Very good combo. Getting this too.
Yeah.